everybody. How are you? Good
Hi,
evening.
Hi everyone, I'm Sky here.
My name is
This
Halif.
is my partner Halif. So tonight we are doing an insurance complaint station.
Correct. How are you guys doing? We are having some viewers already. Wow. Why the
Oh.
comment so white?
Welcome.
Hi,
Hi
Linda. Hello, everybody. How are you? Linda? Your friend, right?
Yeah. Good evening, Linda.
Hello, hi. I haven't seen you for so long. 4 years already, 5 years. I don't remember.
You met her before, right?
Yeah, she worked with me
Oh, good.
before.
Also, your colleague is my
last time lah.
neighbor.
Yeah. Oh, you live there? Okay.
Yeah, same neighborhood.
I've been to her house couple of times.
Oh,
Okay. So, welcome back to the insurance complaint station. My name is Alif again. This is my partner today.
I'm Sky here.
Yeah. Today you are first time here with
Yeah.
English medium, correct?
Yeah, I'm a first timer. I need Alif to look after me.
Don't worry, we look after each other. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So to kick it off, a bit of a disclaimer. All right. So this live show will not mention any insurance company name to avoid any legal issues.
All content share is based on our personal experience and opinion only. It does not constitute legal or financial advice and cannot be used as a court evidence.
Wow. Viewers are welcome to engage as well, but please be respectful. No rude or offensive language is allowed. All right. Let's maintain a positive and respectful environment in our discussion. Thank you so much. So, how do you feel now, Sky?
Yeah, I feel very excited because we are on a FB Live now.
Yeah, and then we are also in the TikTok live as a trial, right? We have some 2 viewers and then a comment as well.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah. So, do we have any comments in the Facebook live right now? Is there any? Wow. Hi, Alif and Sky. Lovely evening, guys. Hi, Jelena. How are you?
Hi, YB. Welcome to our live show.
Okay. So, where's the clicking noise? All right. So, please do like, share, and comment below if you have any insurance complaint station or do you have any questions about our topic today, which is?
Our topic is about personal insurance, PA. So if you have anything about this, any question, you can post our FB Live.
Yes, and the TikTok as well. Please do. We are talking about personal accidents. Handsome Sky. Wow, someone has commented on your appearance today.
Oh.
Wayne Low, your friend.
He's my friend. Yeah. Hi, Wayne.
Liz also are now. Hello, Alif and Sky. Hello, Liz.
Hello, Liz. Welcome to our channel.
YouTube. Wow, we have some comments from YouTube. Wow. Are we live in YouTube as well? Wow. How many channels are we in now?
YouTube, FB, TikTok. Wow.
Now Twitter don't have. Okay. Melissa. Say hello. How are you, Melissa? Jelena said, I have like and share. Thank you so much, Jelena. Thank you.
Thank you, Jelena. Wow, Melissa comment on you.
2 handsomes.
Yeah.
You and me handsome.
Okay. Thank you.
Your hand very cold. Are you nervous?
Not nervous.
Are you nervous, Sky?
Because the aircon here is very good.
Wow,
very
I don't
powerful.
feel the aircon.
All new aircon.
I don't feel the aircon.
Oh, you don't feel the aircon.
Maybe I have so many protection of layers of protection.
Yeah. Protection or insurance protection you have.
Both. I do have both.
Oh, okay, very good.
Yes, of course. So, TikTok, please do advertise my live show. Today, we are talking about personal accidents insurance. If you have any questions, please drop down. Sarawak, Malaysia.
Sarawak. Mr. Tin is from Sarawak. Are you from Sarawak? Wow, all the way from Sarawak.
Into KL, yeah, nice. I have some clients in Sarawak. How about you?
I don't have lah. Currently, I don't have lah.
Mm.
My furthest is the JB, Johor.
Wow, Johor. Okay, nice.
Kedah, Johor and Kedah lah.
Oh, the North and South lah.
North and
Okay,
South.
okay. The
I-
East belum lagi. Ah.
Belum
Belum lagi.
sampai the East Coast.
Okay. Good. I have 1, 2, 3. I mean, 1 in Sarawak, Miri, and 2 in KK, Sabah.
Oh, very good.
Mm.
All around Malaysia.
Every state got. I
Wow,
have
very
clients
good,
in
very
every state.
Wow, you plant seed every state.
Everywhere I
also
do.
So you need to travel around the Malaysia?
Not really. My clients prefer to do online.
Oh,
Virtual,
very nice.
yeah.
Now we are very technology savvy. We don't need to travel to the customer there. We can do an online, remotely lah. We do a video call, then we can meet up with our client. Very
Betul.
good.
Correct. Bagus sekali. So, to kick it off, right? Before I start about the topic itself, do we have any more comments from YouTube or? Okay. Our MC today quite funny, yeah. Okay. So our discussion about personal accident, right? What is personal accident? So
Let me start first lah. How about let me start first?
can.
Let me ask you, Alif. What is a personal accident insurance and why it is important?
Okay, so personal accident insurance, right? We simply say usually is PA, right?
Yeah.
Personal accident. Why it is important? Because personal accident insurance itself is covering accidental, and as you know, when it comes to accidental, it is anytime can happen.
Yeah,
Yeah,
correct.
anytime can happen. Even if as young as long as you're born until your old age, anytime can happen, right? Especially if you are walking, you are driving, you are riding a motorcycle, or you are commuting via public transport, right? And in KL especially, Klang Valley, right? There's a lot of people using public transport and are driving as well. So personal accident, in my opinion, is quite important, especially when people say, "Oh, do you have insurance?" Most of them will say yes. But what kind of insurance do they have, right? It is mostly medical insurance. Yes, medical insurance is very important, but another insurance that maybe you would like to explore is personal accident, where it covers certain minor accident and more. We will get into this lah. Alright, certain personal accident covers a lot of category where maybe Sky will answer a bit later. Right?
Okay, sure.
So Sky, does PA insurance cover accidents that happen outside of work or during travels?
Yeah, personal accidents cover within our working area or outside our working area. But the SOCSO, we have this SOCSO, right? Everyone who is working, they have a SOCSO. So the SOCSO only cover the within the working area. When we are travel outside our working area, the SOCSO won't cover. So we need to have a PA, personal accident insurance, to cover us when we are when we travel outside our working area. So a lot of people, they don't understand about this lah, and they don't know. So what do they cover? The personal accident. Alif, you can tell me about this? Tell
Can,
about-
no problem. So personal accident covers, in a sense, that of course accident, anything outside blunt force trauma and everything. So it's come towards your body, right? Rather than, let's say, for example, critical illness like heart attack, cancer. Those are starting from within ourselves, right? And then develop outside, right? Towards you can see the symptom outside. But accident only can happen from the outside into the inside, to your bones, to your muscle, to your veins, to your soft tissue. So when it comes to accident, we look into the whole body, right? Especially the bones, because accident, you jatuh pun, you can broke your bone,
Yeah.
or minorly is like fractured your bone lah, and then you have to wear a cast, right? So when it comes to accident, we see into 3 type of category, where firstly, it is considered highway accident. It is considered car accidents, motor accident, or you walking at the road and then some bus rider, whatever, right? You terjatuh and then accident happen. You get into an injury, right? So that's covered as well. But let's say domestic, inside your house, inside your office, you are walking in a mall. If anything happened there, it also covers. The third category is actually sport, right? Malaysian are quite active, right? Especially even big size someone like me also is quite active. They can play futsal, they can play badminton. The current craze is pickleball, right? Pickleball also you can get injured. That ball is while it's light, the pedal is also not that heavy, right? Not that heavy. You can still get injured. You terjatuh tergolek, luka sikit. How? Still need to get treatment, right? You just cannot let's say there's a laceration here. You just cannot leave it there, Of course, you need to go to the doctor and get it stitched. So sport injury also is important as long as you are not an athlete, because athlete there's a risk. It's considered occupational, right? If you're doing it for recreational, you like it like once a week, you go main bola with your friends, everything, right? No problem, right, Sky? So.
Okay, thank you, Alif, for the clarification. Very good. Very detailed. Alif mentioned about the personal accident divided by 3 categories: domestic, highway, and recreation. So how about the SOCSO? The SOCSO that we need to more emphasize, because a lot of people, they are injured during their working hour. So the SOCSO help us to have protection when we are injured during we are in a factory, when we fall down, we got the machine crush on our finger, then we can claim from the SOCSO. But let's say when we are after work, we go home, then we are back home Then suddenly on the way home we meet with an accident, so we get injured also. Because accident we can happen anytime, anywhere, we don't know. So when we happen during our traveling back to home, that SOCSO don't cover us. So how? What can we do?
Another point I would like to add is that the claim process for SOCSO, as you know, it can take a lot of time, right? A long time to get it approved, sometimes to get a payout. Yes, SOCSO works is that you contributing a part of your salary. Of course, not expensive, right? You're contributing a bit of it. So it's considered as a workplace insurance as well, right? Where you can claim that. But the claim will take a lot of time and a lot of document, because why? You are doing it yourself, right? Whereas personal insurance, right? Personal accident insurance, you have an agent like me and you, Sky, right? To help facilitate and to smoothen the road for the claims as well. Because, I'll give you an example, Sky. If a client got into an accident, the first thing they call is who?
Agent.
Not the agent. Because why? I want to use my medical card. Or I want to use my insurance. Or they forgot what insurance they have, they call you because they remember you sell insurance. But they don't remember what insurance they take. Maybe they remember the price they pay monthly right? But they don't remember what insurance they take. So the first thing they will ask is, I kena accident. Now what? I can go hospital or not? I need to do this or not? And then sometimes they are what we call cemas, very nervous, very kancong, right? Alright. So they wanted to get some opinion. So we have to be the calm voice in their head. Say, okay, calm down. What happened? Right? What happened? And then say, oh yeah, I get into an accident. Accident? Where? How are you now? What type of accident? You ada patah kaki ke? Luka sikit ke? How you can... Where are you now lah? Because sometimes kena car accident, dia tergolek tepi tu, dia call orang, right? Ambulance dekat mana? Where are you? Hospital dah ke? So we check that lah. And say, oh, accident here. So we, based on their opinion, based on the client situation, we actually give some advice lah. Where, maybe this is some light luka a bit, jatuh motor sikit, terguling sikit ke lepas jalan lantai basah. So they say, okay, this one you can go clinic, claim. No need go hospital. if you don't think the tulang patah, right? You just luka, nampak lebam, luka sikit, darah, just go clinic lah. No need to go hospital. Because why? Hospital emergency also take a long time, right? To get it through. If you are not serious, sometimes doctor see so, tak patah ni, okay, ambil lah, balik lah. Bagi ubat tak sakit. Better go clinic, get it checked. Very quick also clinic, right? Anywhere also you got clinic, right? So better to go clinic lah if it's not serious, right? So
in other words, meaning that he can get proper advice from a life planner, so that he can know, the customer can know where to go for. Maybe they can, if a minor injury, they go for a clinic. If let's say the injury is a major one, they can go to the hospital. So they won't like kelam kabut lah.
Betul,
Correct.
betul, correct. Bagus Kai, bagus. So let's do some checking on the live show. Do we have any questions? Linda, how about travel? Your friend?
Yeah, Linda asks us, how about the travel? So we do have provide travel insurance. Travel insurance is also important because when we travel, we need coverage also. For travel insurance, we cover a wide range of protection. Like we have a loss of baggage, delayed flight, then maybe our luggage or baggage is broken, then we miss our flight. Anything concerning the travel, we also get a compensation, because out of our scope, we can't guarantee the travel is smooth. Maybe we go there, something happen, we got a food poisoning at the overseas, then we need medical attention. That travel insurance also cover. So for in order to avoid all this worry, we have to have a travel insurance, so that when we go travel, we enjoy we go travel, we want to enjoy. So we don't have to worry about all these necessary unfortunate things happen. So do you buy travel insurance when you go travel?
I never had travel.
You never go
I never
travel?
For almost 15 years? No, more than that lah. The last time I traveled is actually to go to Kuching, Sarawak when I was 9.
9. Oh.
After that, I never traveled.
Never travel within
I mean,
Malaysia ni.
No, Kuching is Malaysia also mah. I think night flight lah.
Oh.
A night flight. Anything other than that is by car.
By car only.
By car. So I go
trust.
Kedah every raya. Sometime naik kereta. Now I have car, right? So I go Penang, go Kuantan. Either to cuti sikit or jumpa klien. Johor also last 3 months during May. I go Johor because we got roadshow there. So I go there to drive lah, but never long time lah. I haven't actually ride kapal terbang. Never aeroplane. So yes, travel insurance cover a lot of things. Other than injury, it cover your whole duration of the travel itself. So of course, good question, Miss Linda.
Yeah, very good question. Because last year my wife go travel, her flight delay for 3 days, but later shortened to around 1 day lah. But we get the compensation for the delay. So she got around 800 ringgit.
Wow.
Very good.
How many hours is that?
I think for every 6 hours is 200 ringgit.
Oh, so
It's 1 day lah around.
wow.
They get 800 ringgit for the compensation.
Just to
The delay so this one is very good compensation that you can have lah for the protection.
Okay, good. So the 800, may I ask what she do with the 800?
Is for a relief lah for the delay.
Really?
At first they delay her for 3 days.
Wow.
If 3 days you calculate how much, I think it's 2,000 plus.
Yeah.
But because of the daughter need to attend school, so she need to shorten the delay lah. Just delay for 1 day.
Okay. The first flight out she took lah.
She tried to get the connecting flight lah, the earliest connecting flight lah.
Good. Okay, thank you, Miss Linda, for the question about travel insurance. If you're interested, please reach out to Sky.
And Alif also. Our name is our
Yeah.
contact number is here. Mine and Alif is here. You can
Sky.
contact lah if you have any problem with your travel insurance, personal accident, medical. You can call us or WhatsApp us. The number is below our here, mine, and then Alif.
Thank you so
can
much.
get
Yeah.
some advice from us lah.
Okay, next questions. Do you have any? Okay, Jelena, I'll read, yeah. If someone who has high blood pressure while walking on a staircase rasa pening and fell from the staircase injured, can also claim under PA. To answer that, Jelena, thank you for the question. Yes, can for the injury. But anything related to the blood pressure is not covered under the PA. But if it happened to be a very serious injury, right, please use your medical card, because I think jatuh staircase is not a small matter. It's not one step, you know. Sometimes to guling-guling jatuh two tingkat, you know. It can happen. So if it's a very serious one, especially if it's impact your head, right? It can be, there's a lot of things can happen, like internal bleeding lah. Yeah, maybe you a bit luka here, but sometimes you get concussion on your face, on your head. Then we don't know about internal bleeding on the head. So everything. But if it's, the doctor will do the necessary things, usually MRI, X-ray, to see any cracks or whatever, right? And then they will do the necessary steps. So, of course, go to emergency first to check and everything. Then the doctor will see like if they cannot walk straight ke apa ke. So, better to use the medical card if it's a very serious one. But if it's, jatuh sikit, langgar the dinding, right? What happened? Ada calar, ada lebam. Maybe gigi sakit sikit lah. You can use that PA lah. Because it's some minor things. You go to clinic also can, no problem. Just get it, clean the wound. And then if there's any stitches on the face, have to go do it lah. Okay? Thank you, Jelena, for the question.
Hi.
Wilson. Hi. Alif and Sky. Chunwa.
Another
Thank
handsome
you.
coming in. Chunwa.
Bernard. Yeah,
Bernard.
Bernard Lim. How are you, Bernard Lim? Beard game is strong.
Linda again. So it's question from Linda. If I went hiking and I fell, but I did not think it was serious enough to go hospital, just ice bag, etc. However, I found that the injury caused my bone to deform upon self-healing. Can I claim from PA for corrective treatment? What do you think, Alif?
Okay, I think I can answer this. So, in the PA itself, especially accidents, the first 24 hours or 48 hours, you have to seek treatment. So obviously, if you did not think it was initially, right, you don't think it was painful, pain. But then after that, you did not do any treatment. You just put eye bag ke, you ambil Panadol ke, whatever, right? And then the next day, feel a bit fine. But then 6 months later, 1 year later, you do your annual checkup, whatever, right? You do X-ray, CT scan lah, whatever, and then look at the bone. It weird shape already, right? Compared to last year, compared to two years ago. So you think back, you see, actually during your hiking you fall down. Maybe at the time you don't feel anything major lah. You put ice bag. I can straight away say, because there's no treatment done initially during the accident, you cannot claim anything. Because in the insurance eyes, that's that, this is what can happen even afterwards. It's not related to the injury. You have to have a proof, a document that, injury happened and then it caused by this accident, because there's a document there, claim. So you, even after 6 months, it caused by this accident, yes, can claim. But in your sense, in your questions, is that you did not go to the clinic or you did not go receive any treatment from the doctor to see any fracture ke, broken ke apa kan. Alright. After that, cannot. Because in the insurance eyes is that this can happen not just due to accident. you fight somebody lah, whatever lah. There's no really proof. It's like your words against mine. It's like who to trust, right? So better to have a black and white. So you go actually, if something happen, if it's even a minor one, you just go to clinic. Clinic now, right? I think clinic now, there's a lot of that offers X-ray for a cheap price. I think for mine, 2 years ago, because I had a not broken, just a trauma on the my leg. I think less than 100 ringgit for X-ray. 1 foot lah, right? So I think one part of the body is quite cheap lah to do X-ray. That is in Malaysia lah. I'm not sure overseas how lah. I know Miss Indah like to hike overseas also, right?
Yeah.
So overseas is out of my hand. I'm not sure about the price range, but in Malaysia, especially in KL, there's a lot of clinics that offer X-ray. Better to check rather than nothing, right? You want to have a peace of mind. I know sometimes our older clients sikit je, sakit
Tak
sikit
apalah.
je, tak apalah. 2 days later, okay lah, tak rasa already. That's tak payah tengok jauh. My mom also say the same thing. Tangan dah bengkak baru. Sure something lah. Then kena pergi emergency check X-ray. Oh, a bit ni patah ni. Pak sikit je tapi bengkak satu tangan. Then 6 months like that lah. Macam tu lah. Just get it X-ray lah. Jangan degil. Just see lah. Yeah, better to know than nothing lah. Right? So you can plan.
For personal accident is best is to do it within 24 hours lah.
24 hours.
Because more than that they are very hard for the insurance company to justify your injuries is due to the just now hiking. Correct or not? If not, they say maybe you are from other source of injury. They don't know. Maybe you are from a fight, from those illegal activities. So it's best lah. You do it within 24 hours lah for personal accident insurance.
Or even medical wise lah. Medical card also applies the same rule. Okay. Thank you, Linda.
Thank you, Linda. Thank you.
Where were you going hiking soon?
Yeah, overseas.
Fair, that's exactly what happened. Yeah,
Oh,
Linda.
this is what happened to her. No wonder.
I know already, don't worry.
How's-
A lot of my clients like that also.
Another friend coming in, asking question. How about sports insurance? Any specific special insurance for sports? I think only PA we don't have any sports insurance.
Yeah, I think
So
if to
far?
cover athletes, right, we don't do because sometimes their organization buy directly to the insurance company. But if let's say you want to cover your recreational activity, especially sport main bola, whatever, right? Yeah, you can take.
Yeah,
can
can take our PA
Can
personal
take
accident.
accident.
For recreation
Recreational. If you're athlete, you with a pasukan or what bola sport team ke apa?
we
Usually
can't
not.
we can't.
Cannot because usually it is a special ruling. Even our system also doesn't allow decline, right? Okay, good.
Do we answer your question, Wayne?
Win. Okay, Lisa. Let me ask this and then you can answer.
Okay.
Right? Liz, if I have medical insurance, have outpatient claim accident 2K already, why I still need to buy PA, which is the same outpatient claim 2K as well?
For this one, the medical is cover wider coverage for medical. For the PA is for the minor injury maybe from fall down, maybe fall from a bicycle, or maybe a dog bite. You can claim from the PA. For those who need medical more major medical attention, like a surgery, you need a medical card, so that the cost is more huge compared to PA. PA, the injury is smaller and the cost is smaller. For the medical, you need a medical plan because maybe we have some illness we don't know, some hidden illness, or maybe we need to do a major surgery that we need to admit to hospital. Then the cost will be very high, maybe 20,000, 30,000. So the PA is can't manage to cover so wide the coverage. So you need both lah. Medical is for illness. They also cover accident. But for the minor injury, you can look for the PA lah, personal accident.
Another point I think I can add is that the medical card, outpatient accidental, only can claim on the follow-ups 30 days after the accident date. Let's say you had the accident 1st of January and then you do some outpatient because it's not really major lah. Tak ada patah everything. Maybe luka dalam sikit, doktor jahit, alright? And then done. But then after 2 weeks, they ask you to come back and buang the jahit mah. Can claim. Boleh, tak ada masalah. Because it's related to the injury, right? But then menanah after 1 month. What happened? Of that
Caused by the
injury. Yeah. What happened? Your medical card cannot cover already. Because it's after 30 days mah. But PA, you can claim up to, depending on the plan, it is either 90 days or 1 year. So depending on the plan, yes, PA, you see like, oh, I already have medical card. Right? I already claimed here medical card. But then why I need to PA? Because for especially non-major, tak patah one, is that you can claim PA and then you can enjoy the follow-up session even 1 year after the accident. So you can actually, especially complication lah, you don't know kaki macam mana jadi, right? Or luka sikit. Sometimes we don't see the effect after 1 month. Complication sometimes what happen 1 month, especially tempat luka tu. It can happen sikit dulu kat dalam, especially menanah. My own clients happen like that. 30 days after accident, ada menanah after the surgery. Happen lah a lot. Okay, so it's best to have everything covered, of course. So I would say, especially minor one, use PA. Major like patah, obviously the PA amount will exceeds the claim. The claim will exceed the amount that is covered under PA. So you have medical insurance to fall back on. Patah, you need kena ada masuk besi lah, masuk plating lah, apa-apalah, macam tu lah. Okay, thank you Liz for the question.
Do Alif answer your question, Liz? Liz? I think so lah. Alif will answer this question about the duration lah. For the outpatient PA is a longer period. For the medical card is a shorter lah, 30 days lah. So we go to the next question.
Ho Chen Cheng, is it necessary to buy PA insurance? Let's say I work in an office, like an office worker. Like an office worker, Ho Chen Cheng. Like an office worker. What are you working in, Ho Chen Cheng?
So yes, we still need a PA, although we are working in the office, because we can't like foresee anything happen mah. For accident it can happen anytime, anywhere. Like what I say lah. So you can maybe fall down when you are walking from your stairs, you're at the office, or maybe you kick a stone during your office. Maybe you got some foul. At the side of your walkway, you fall down. That is the accident that you can claim from a personal accident, PA lah, because you fall down due to some mishap. Then you can claim from there. So this you need a PA. Even though you think inside office the environment is very safe, you are covered. You don't face any disaster. Correct. So a lot of people think there's very safe environment in the office, but they still have chances like maybe you at the office you got sharp object.
Good point.
You can hit all of sharp object. You fell down. Maybe the aircon broken, fall down, or the lamp fall down. Anything can happen. We don't know.
Yeah, you don't know. It's called freak accidents, right? Yeah. Sometimes suddenly, people can fall down from the ceiling,
correct.
hit you. We always see that kind of online videos, right? Yeah, freak accident. Betul Sky. Sharp objects lah, especially paper cut. And then if someone who like Ho Chen Seng say, like work in office, maybe you don't drive, you naik public transport. If people tertolak you, jatuh, how? Right, still cover, right? You're from home to office, unless you're working in the home, then another matter also. You tak pakai seluar lah. Kan? Seluar pendek sajalah. You mandi lah, tergelincir lah. You can be careless also. People, human lah like that. Can be careless. So it is good to get PA insurance as well. Even if you are working at home or office. Thank you, Sky.
Yeah, thank you, Alif. Very clear about the office protection, about PA. So do we have next? Oh yeah, Liz coming in again. Then Liz asked about travel. Travel insurance is only pay and claim or can get GI at overseas.
GL, I think.
GL, I think it's a GL lah. GL at overseas. Yes, we can get the GL at overseas. Correct?
Correct.
Alif.
It is case by case basis lah.
Mm.
There's a hotline. Or usually, I work with several insurance company during this travel insurance. There is a hotline that actually you can call if anything happen. One time my client go to Japan, she had a minor fall. She need to go hospital, medical center. Not hospital lah, I think medical center that time. So there's a hotline and then they settle it off there lah. The insurance company will settle it off and then they will guide you. If you need to do pay and claim, they will guide you. Okay, this document you need, this document what, bring back what. Pay here, pay that lah. Okay.
So it depends on the situation lah. But
Case by
normally
case.
is GL, you can get a GL lah. So do we answer your question, Liz? I think we answer her question. So do we have any next question from the floor?
Wow, Elisa Yap.
Yeah, hi
Wow,
Elisa.
pretty Elisa. See the picture? Wow.
Pretty lady coming in.
Can
ask
I
question.
claim if I get into an incident while using e-scooters or skateboard? Wow.
Wow, they nowadays a lot of people like to do the skating,
Yeah.
e-scooter. We can see that everywhere.
Yeah, Ampang Park there got a skating, not skating, skateboard park, right? If I'm not mistaken. Our MC is nodding his head. Betul lah tu.
Yeah, e-scooter, they are e-bicycle. Everything is e now.
Remember
Even
the purple in KL, right? There's a purple like
yeah.
scooter.
Correct. E-scooter lah. The one is the e-scooter.
Mm-hmm.
Beam. So yes, we can get cover. We can get cover from this scooter and skateboard accident.
Interesting. Okay, good. Apa lagi?
So
Hi
the-
Mandy.
Hi, Mandy.
Alif and
Hi,
Sky. Welcome. Wow, Harriet.
Harriet. Hi, Harriet.
You want to answer?
Yeah, let me ask the question first. Harriet asks us, when exactly do we need to submit a police report for a PA claim? If there is a time frame to lodge the police report. Okay, let me answer. So we for this police report we something must be serious only we need to do a police report. Let's say the case is like a normal one when we fall down from a staircase or we hammer our finger when we do some hammering. Then the one we do no domestic one domestic injury at home one then no need to do a police report. Unless you have this like a criminal or a very big accident that we have involved a third party, then you need to make a police report. Meaning that you are the victim of the case. Maybe a snatch thief, snatch your chain, then you get injured on the neck, then you need to do a police report. Or your break into your house, there's a burglary, then you need to make a police report that caused an injury to you. This is the case to case. It depends on which one. Of course, the claim PA can claim for the injury caused by this or situation.
So the best time is as soon as possible to lodge a police report, especially to give a statement, right? To give your statement, so there's a clear cut official statement from you to the police. So if sometime happens, insurance company asks for further proof of what happened. So you have an official document from the police that stating, I made a police report this time, that time, here, where. So you have an evidence. So if anything, police say okay, Why insurance company saying okay? Like that lah. Okay.
Mm.
Oh, we have questions from the live show.
Live show.
I know
again.
the live show in TikTok.
TikTok
Let me
also. Wow.
wait. What is the question? Tolong ajar macam mana sikat rambut handsome. This is not question.
This I think
This is not question.
instruction
Apa
for
ni?
you to comb your hair.
MC, you look at this. Saya rambut cantik kan.
I think it's your friend ask you to comb your
yeah,
hair.
see, which friend?
Who is asking you to comb the hair? Too far away.
Too far away, huh? I show you.
Oh, your friend.
My
your
friend.
Your best friend asked you to teach the audience how to comb your hair so nice. Then you need to show them how you comb your hair. Very nice hair today. Alif have a very nice hair.
MC, can you help me betul the
The TikTok,
yeah the
TikTok
the-
fan, Alif TikTok fan, asking him how to comb such a nice hair.
Okay, thank you.
Not bad, Alif. You got a lot of fan in the TikTok.
Thank
So
you
we go
much.
to the next question. Since no question at the audience,
ada
other
question.
lagi, a lot of
Ada
questions again.
question.
Wow.
So many questions.
So many
Thank you.
questions.
Today live show is very successful.
I thought if got no question, I need to ask some questions.
Okay, let me read this out. If my leg injury means I cannot walk properly anymore, do I get a lump sum payout or monthly payout?
Oh, if my leg injury.
Yeah.
Let me answer this question. Okay. Yes, you can get a compensation. You can get depends on your injury due to the accident. So the payout is based on we have a schedule of the indemnity for the accidental one, and disablement benefit we get a chart schedule. So it depends how your injury Let's say you injure 3 finger, they will pay accordingly
I ask guy to look at the camera.
So yes, we do have pay the lump sum payout for those injury that's like cause you have a loss of one eye, of one hand, then we pay out accordingly That's a ratio.
Good.
For those who let's say you have unable to work, we call it a disability permanent disability. They will hand out if you have this living payout, monthly living payout. Depends on the plan you subscribe Some they have a yearly living payout, living benefit we call it. Then some we have this monthly living benefit. It depends on the injury and the plan you subscribe to. So do I answer your question, Mandy?
Yes, I think Mandy. I think we answered Mandy question very good. Wow, Win Lau.
Oh, my
okay.
friend come again.
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask
You want
question. How about a transit delay affected my other last separated connecting flight, which was burned, so have to purchase again? Question: what proof or document agency require as to furnish?
Transit delayed affecting my other last separated connecting flight, which was burned. What? Wow,
You need to get the report immediately from the
Airline.
airline. Immediately when we delay at the time, you need to get from the on the spot which area that you delay. Maybe you are delaying in some airport On the spot, you need to go there and make a police report on the delay, and report on to the officer there So you get the report as a proof. So only that you can get the compensation accordingly. Everything we need a proof, because we can't just say that we are the flight delay. We need to get the connecting flight delay the proof, so that they have a black and white copy from the airline that prove that the flight is a delay lah or disconnect. So you anything to add in, Alif, for
Good.
this?
I think
connecting
you are
flight?
covering everything lah, because we need black and white lah, everything. Yeah, we need everything because this is very was burn. I don't know. maybe wait.
You need
Lau.
to win
Hey, maybe you can PM Sky and explain further
about
this.
what is burn. What do you mean by burn?
Burn like
Maybe the flight ticket they cannot void already. They don't allow him to fly again.
maybe
They void already. They call burn already lah.
yeah, it's called travel curtailment, I think. Under our
But if
our
let's say you
insurance.
can prove them that the delay is not your fault lah, it's due to the airline fault lah, then airline will compensate you.
Betul.
Everything we need the proof lah. You got the proof, then you can get the compensation lah.
Okay, thank you, Lau.
So if still have
Win.
anything concerning your burn, the burn air ticket, I think you can contact me lah. My number is here, or Alif.
Can
Okay.
contact Sky lah.
No
You're
problem.
Your friend mah.
Yeah.
Okay. If the other airline didn't only give report of their own delay, cause the last transit is another airline. Oh damn.
Yeah, in this case, it's much complicated because they are dealing with few airline for the transit. You need to find the root cause of who is delaying, and then who is doing the paying. I think the paying part is the insurance company will pay. Because you buy the insurance from the insurance company. Insurance company will pay your compensation. But you need to get the actual the airline which delay you. So Alif, you have anything to add in for this case?
Get everything documents needed, and then either you try to claim under, if you have travel insurance, you try to claim under your own insurance company, and then if you don't have, and then you may need to hire a lawyer to do all the necessary legal stuff lah, to get some compensation if you did not get any beforehand. So it's a legal matter lah. Then you need to have lawyer back and forth with the company. That's what we can say lah. But if there's no insurance, not much we can see lah. Because there is an insurance what we call curtailment, delay, cancellation. I think yours is under curtailment lah.
If you don't have insurance company, I think the airline also compensate you with their, maybe they have a hostel stay, or they
Free food.
next connecting flight they will compensate you. You need to ask the airline about this. This is
Thank you,
through
Win.
our own experience. So is there any question?
Oh, get my sister-in-law contact you.
Oh,
Okay, thank you,
okay,
Wayne.
okay.
Thank you. Contact Sky. Thank you so much, Wayne.
Can, no problem.
Next, Alex Chong. Okay, let me answer this. Let me read this out. Do PA insurance bought at Malaysia cover on skydiving spot if we do it at overseas other than travel insurance? Do you know that?
Yeah. For this kind of extreme sport, normally they don't cover. Insurance don't cover extreme sport like skydiving, scuba diving, because these very high risk activities. They don't cover. Even your hiking, you reach certain altitude, they also don't cover. For those who like to climb mountain climbing, rock climbing, they don't cover. Insurance don't cover that.
I think
Because
I can add
too
on.
risky.
Yeah,
Too risky
too risky,
sport.
betul. But then I think Alex did mention that other than travel insurance, normal PA, no. It is very, very, what we call this as a known risk. You go there, you do it yourself, meaning that you know something can happen. Alright? It is not out of, okay, jalan-jalan, kena langgar. We don't know. We don't plan this route. But skydiving, there's a known risk. You boleh parachute tak keluar. Something happen, terplek out everything while you were landing also. Even parachute come out, your land can go falsely. Meaning your kaki terjatuh and then tergolek. Or you terikat the tali while you're landing on your head or your badan. Then you suffocate. That's a known risk that can happen. I think even before the skydiving, the instructor will tell you, you have this risk, this, you sign a waiver or something like that. So other than travel insurance does provide activity coverage for this kind of things, but there's a certain limit, and then you have to pay extra premium on top of that. For personal PA, no, because it's considered as known risk. Travel insurance does have an option where you can add on a bit more premium to cover all this adventurous activity. This is what we call adventurous activity. Scuba diving lah, bungee jumping lah, apa lagi ya? Skydiving is it one thing? I think a lot
of
all this daredevil kind of activity.
bungee jump.
Yeah. Thank you, Alex, for your question. Very important. Thank you for your question. Very good question. Katie one maker.
Oh, okay, yeah, it's my friend, Kathy. So I asked a question. She asked, is there a benefit to having both medical card and PA insurance together? Yeah, yes, you need both lah, because we have a coverage is different lah. For medical is a wider coverage, as I said earlier lah, and the PA is for the minor injury. So you need a medical card also. Medical card you also cover for illness, all your accident that out of the PA range you also cover correct?
Betul? Correct? Good, Sky?
So
Betul?
you need both lah. My advice is you need both.
It is a more holistic approach towards your protection lah. You are having medical if it's a major one, and then for a minor injury you have a PA to use supplement.
Yeah, correct.
Thank you, Katie, for your questions. Hope Sky answered that. Okay, Liz is asking if my company have me PA already, am I still have to buy for personal one since PA no need medical examination? Yes, let me answer this. If my company have yes, it is good to have personal insurance. Doesn't matter, medical, life insurance, even PA, right? Even PA, because why? If you leave your company, either you quit or you are resign or you're fired, whatever, right? You have the choice of that coverage is continuing with you, right? One thing. Another thing is that you can choose your own coverage option, meaning how much are being covered, and then especially weekly indemnity, yearly living benefit, those kind of benefits where the decision is up to you. You want how much, you pay this much. Yes, your company can give you this, but usually based on my experience, asking a lot of my clients who have their own either group PA or personal medical insurance or even group medical insurance, is that they are giving either a standard one where it's everybody get the same coverage, or it is based on the seniority level. If you are entry level, then you get the 15K a year, and then if you are senior level, maybe you can get 100K a year. But PA also same thing. Sometimes you get the most basic, which is cover 500 ringgit a month, 500 ringgit a year, kind of outpatient, right? They can give you the cheapest one lah, right? The lowest coverage. Why? Because it's cheap on the company behalf to pay that coverage. Because they say, I already provided this benefit for my staff, right? Provided benefit for my staff. But then when we look into the actual detail, right, the benefit is very little. And then, you think, ada benefit tak apa. I already have buat apa I beli baru? Why I need to pay money, right? When it happen, you will know the regret of, that expensive, right? It's not enough. Then you have the regret, and then you either you be mad at your HR, or you feel like, can I buy insurance now to cover the accident that happened before? Obviously, they cannot lah. So the important part that you need to understand is that it is a choice where it is your own decision. You can customize your plan yourself. Please contact me, Alif, or contact Sky to get the best quotation, best coverage, and best price suitable for you lah. Because we are not overselling you. you need a 30K premium coverage, premium a year. Based on your affordability, we can start small, then work your way up lah on the coverage itself. Thank you, Liz, for the question.
Yeah, tonight we had a lot of questions coming in from
Thank
the
you.
audience. Thank you for your support. Wow. Hi, Sam.
Hello, Sam and Chong. Sam Chong.
Yeah. Oh,
Ya
this one is for
Hui.
another audience. Ya Hui asks if my PA coverage is 50,000, does that means I can only come up to 50,000? Yes. Yeah. Let me answer this question. For this, for life insurance, yes, they have like a limit. Like the core coverage is 50,000, so your payout is 50,000 lah. Let's say your injury is minor injury, like 1,000, then they will pay accordingly to the injury lah. Maybe is a cat bike, maybe is a fall from a motorcycle. Then according to how much you pay for the treatment, they will pay accordingly to the treatment. For the whole life, yes, the PA is 50,000.
I think I can add on a bit more, Sky. If my PA 50K, resident you can claim up to 50K. The 50K maybe is the sum insured, meaning it is for death and dismemberment, but not necessarily the 50K is for medical treatment. So you need to understand the differentiation of that too lah. Yes, 50K. I think Sky did mention the schedule of indemnities. How much is the payout? So if let's say you lose a finger, this is not 100% you can claim for that finger. But if you lose one arm, two arm, you paralyze waist down, neck down, then yes, 100% of the coverage, which is 50K lah in this sense, right? Yes, but medical treatment is different between that 50K. Most likely your PA, it is, if it's 50K, maybe 1,500, 3,000 ringgit for medical treatment. Okay, thank you, Yahoo. Yahui.
Yeah.
So I think we can go towards the ads.
Okay.
The ads.
We have this sponsor. It's very nice food Chinese restaurant. So they have very few outlets, and this one is the main outlet at Old Klang Road.
Old Klang Road.
Opposite the Scott Garden. Very nice food, Chinese food restaurant. You can go and try. I have tried a few times. Very nice. Every time we go there for dinner. Yeah.
Wow.
Even our annual dinner, we go there.
Hey?
This Mingkei.
Annual dinner. Which annual dinner?
I think we go for the Chinese New Year celebration. I think you don't.
I did not go lah. Obviously lah.
Oh,
Not
because
halal
it's
lah.
non-halal lah. So
Yeah.
sorry, I miss out the good food. This is the non-halal Chinese restaurant. So when we go with Alif, we are go to the halal food.
Scott Garden got.
So okay.
Okay, good. So let's watch a video that
Of this-
from our sponsor. Thank you so
Mingkei.
much. Wow!
Very nice food. Very nice lala soup. Very, very nice. We got Chinese wine lala soup. Yes, very delicious. Go, let's have a dinner there, Mingkei. You should try, your audience. Go and try. Okay, welcome back. We welcome back to our complaint
welcome
station.
back. So after the
So-
Menke ads, I think we
Still got any question from the floor, from the audience?
no. Okay, I think we can skip the question first. I think I would like to ask apa Sky.
Okay.
You how many year agent already?
I am. I have been 3 years agent.
3 years agent.
Yeah.
So may I ask? I was curious. Why did you choose Gratitude to be your insurance agency?
Yeah, why I choose Gratitude? First, because when before I joined this industry, I'm in manufacturing line. I doing a production for this underground auto gate system. So I'm doing the production, manage the production line lah. So when my agent come to approach me or inviting me to explore this business, this insurance business. So I also take a step back because I'm not very interested in insurance company. But after some convincing and like a few time, then I try to go to their BOP lah, business opportunity presentation lah. After that, then I got attracted lah to their concept, the Gratitude concept, because Gratitude they have this mentoring system. They have this promise that they provide you some like they have this slogan that the motto that they will have provide all the guidance so that you can achieve this. We take this as the business We take this not a job, is a business that we can grow ourselves. First we grow our personality, then they have support us with like cross mentoring, they paying forward. So I'm very interested on their business structure the Gratitude business structure. Then they also provide a roadshow that's a platform that we can build our leads. So and in this business we also can earn our living. At the same time, we also helping people, because we a lot of people, they buy insurance they don't know what they buy. Like myself, I before I joined this industry, I don't know what I have. Until I joined this industry, only I realized that I have this medical card, then I have this CI. I don't know. I have what I have. Then only I do my own self policy review. Then I understand what I have. So with this so I can help a lot of people because a lot of people they don't have. Some even their policy I bought 10 years, 20 years back, where the coverage is very minimal. So when come to their aging, they come to 60, 70, that their health have come small issue, then the admission, the protection they have coverage are not enough for them. So a lot of people don't understand this. So in here, Gratitude, I can learn a lot also from the senior They help me to build my career and help me to build my personality. I can learn a lot. This is what my journey in Gratitude.
Thank you, Sky. Thank you. So how do you feel after 3 years?
Yeah, I feel very every day I'm learning a new thing. Because here we can't stop learning. Because a lot of things we learn. Here we have this FP Live, so we also now every day I'm learning. I'm doing FP Live now, which I never thought before. I'm doing a FP Live now. I'm doing. Besides this, we also have roadshow. Then we have go to other places where we can have interaction with other corporate employees. Like we go to the Citibank, we go to the town hall. A lot of things to learn.
Okay, so when you join, right, the agency, we just not really started. We just not started. We are moving forward towards a roadshow program, roadshow leads, right? So you did start from a cold market,
Yeah.
right? What now you are in a warm market section. What the difference between when you first joined cold market? What are some of the difficulties that you faced during this early
In,
period?
in the early period, when we in the cold market, we approach all the stranger, the rejection is very high lah. This is the obstacle I encounter lah, because they don't know you ma. Why they want to listen to you? So there you need to build a relationship with them in a very short time, no, short period of time. So this is also a learning process lah, part of the learning process. Then we compare to the warm market. Warm market is someone that we already know you. Then they have a trust in you. When you talk to them, more easy, because they know you are a trustable person. They can listen to you, compared to a stranger. So this is the thing I'm facing when I'm starting at the cold market. But from the cold market, you also learn the skill of doing this business, because every day we meet up with around 100 person, and you do all the presentation, 10 to 15 presentation a day. So the process of learning is express. It's like a bullet train. You learn a lot from the presentation.
Okay, good. Thank you, Sky, for your sharing. I think a lot of people can actually learn from you as well. Right?
If those who are interested to explore our business, you can look for me or Alif, so that we can know more about this
Business.
Yeah.
Okay, so please, everyone, in the live show itself, please comment if you have any questions, if you have any misgivings about your plan, right? Please do reach out to me. My name is Alif, and then Sky
name is
here,
Sky.
number if you wanted to do some policy review. But while you are here, please do like the live show and then share to your friends, to your group mates, to your Facebook groups. I think we have some in YouTube as well. So please do share to your friends. Maybe, you never know, right? Maybe they have some difficulty in a claim, even a minor one, right? Maybe their company have an insurance, but they don't know how to make a claim. So, we can help in that sense, okay? No matter which insurance company, I think their process is practically the same lah. The document they require, where should you claim everything. The process is the same. The documents also are mostly the same, right? Thank you so much. Please like and share again. Thank you.
Yeah. You can contact us anytime lah. If you facing any problem, you need a policy review, we can do it lah. We can do it anytime lah. You can contact us, me or Alif.
Okay. Do we have questions from the live show? Wow, Hao Chen Seng again. Nowadays, many countries experience earthquake. If I travel to a country with more natural disaster like Japan, will the travel PA insurance premium will be more expensive compared to other countries? I think I can answer this. I think there's a two-part question there. You buy a travel insurance knowingly going to a country that is more prone to natural disaster. One thing you need to consider is during your trip, or even slightly before, do you know that the country is experiencing this kind of natural disaster? Tsunami lah. We take Japan as an example. Tsunami lah, earthquake lah. I think now is the more current one lah. We saw off the shore of Russia, but Japan hit the most impact lah. So, if now you just buy a ticket and then you want to buy a travel insurance, knowing that that country has that kind of natural disaster happening or are going to happen. First thing first, the insurance company will not be liable to pay, because it's like I said earlier, it's a known risk of going to that country. It doesn't matter either to natural disaster, war, conflict, riot kind of thing, right? So it's a known risk happening, right? Better you don't go lah to that country. You go to Korea ke, nearer ke, Jeju Island ke, you go to China ke, you go to any other country. Southeast Asia also has a lot of country that you can visit as well. Maybe you can delay that first. Maybe while the natural disaster cool down after a month or two, right? After there's no much effect anymore. You want to go, can lah, no problem. But the insurance company stated clearly, if you go to this country while it's happening conflict or natural disaster, it's a known risk, it's not covered. Okay, and then the second part of this question is the insurance premium will be more expensive compared to other country. No, the premium is not will not be any much different for now lah. Maybe I don't know in the future what happen, right? For now it's the same. It's just that it's a known risk. Okay, thank you so much. Jelena, I already got treatment using my medical card. Can I still claim PA for the same injury? Let me just answer this lah. No. The simple answer is no. Why? Because treatment wise, you can only claim under one insurance. Unless it is your group company insurance, right? And then you claim under personal. That's two different. Meaning, let's say your company cover 50k, but then the treatment total is 100k. So company punya habis, then you want to claim your personal, can. It's an extended coverage. But if you have two personal insurance, doesn't matter PA ke, medical ke, you for treatment wise, you one with company P, another with company A, let's say, right? Oh, this insurance is old already, so the coverage is very little. Then I say, not enough. Can I claim with this another one? Cannot. Can only claim one. So you can claim one company only. The only difference is if it is under company, the one that you're working in, claim exceeded amount, then you can claim under personal. Sorry, my brain is fried the whole day. Okay, thank you, Jelena. For the same injury, cannot.
For medical lah, it cannot lah.
For medical, for treatment lah. For treatment. Hi, Justin Fong here. Wow, the picture very.
Wow.
If I lose,
is Avenger.
If I think you can answer this.
Hi, Justin.
If I lose my job after an accident, does PA offer any support or income replacement?
Yes. If the accident is due to some disability, then you can have this yearly living benefit lah from the PA. That yearly you can get a lump sum so that you can having allowance lah. For 1 year they give you one allowance, so they have the support lah for not going to work when you're out of job lah because of the accident. So you can have that.
Yeah, weekly. I think weekly indemnity up to 52 weeks. So 1 year. If suffer some temporary, we call temporary disability, unable to work. I think the question before from Jelena, I think I need to add some more. Can go back?
Jelena.
The same injury. Wow, where is that question? Wait, let me. Where is it? I got this. Yeah. No, you cannot claim from two. But if you have some weekly indemnity, you can claim under the PA. Weekly indemnity meaning, for example, you cannot work for 2 months because of patah kaki normally. Okay, tak boleh pergi sekolah and everything. It is considered like macam MC allowance lah. How long you cannot work, you cannot go to school, then you can get that certain money based on the plan that you purchase. Okay, almost the same question as who just now?
Justin because the indemnity benefit can pay weekly allowance up to 52 weeks lah. When you suffer temporary disability, because I'm unable to work due to the accident, they pay you.
Thank you. Thank you for the questions. Do you have any more? Lim Renan. Hello. This is our
Mr.
boss.
Lim.
Our boss. Yeah.
Come and support us also.
How are you, Mr. Lim? Okay. All right. So I think we can move forward.
Move on to
What
the
time
next.
is it now? Tak nampak ah. Ooh.
9:15. So can I ask you question, Alif?
Okay, we skip because this one I think we have some questions just now already.
You have the same question?
No, I mean someone asked the question.
Oh, already asked the question.
Yeah, you can start number 7.
Okay. So Alif, does PA insurance cover me in the event of permanent disability?
Yes. Simple answer. The long answer is it is covering you in a sense that it's giving a payout, meaning pampasan, giving a money monetary wise to you in a lump sum manner. Where, for example, you permanent disability, meaning you cannot reverse that kind of accident, that injury, that kind of disability, right? Meaning you lumpuh separuh badan, memang cannot feel the leg for the rest of your life. So that nerve ending gone or whatever, right? So the
Yeah.
okay. So it is giving you a lump sum payment, in a sense that you can use that money to cover your extra medical bills as well. Yes, it is cover you lah. Yeah, in a permanent disability. In a sense of giving you a lump sum payment.
Okay.
Thank you. So, Sky, let me ask you, what kind of accidents are covered under PA insurance?
Under PA, we have 3 types lah. Domestic, one is the highway, and the sport injury lah. Sport injury is recreation lah. So these are the 3 types that we cover lah. For the domestic is like in a family, something happen within a home. For the highway, it look like when we are driving on the highway, car accident. Maybe you are doing transporting. For the sport, it's those that we are like maybe we are doing some pickleball nowadays. It's very hit pickleball. Then you get injured, you sprain your leg or any like hit by the pickleball. So we get those claims from the PA insurance.
Good. Sky, I was thinking, since you are 3 years in the industry, right?
Yeah.
I think you would know, you have some experience in claiming certain clients, right? What kind of some memorable claims under PA or even medical that you can share with us for your own clients, a true story?
Yeah, of course. I got one client, he meet with a car accident. He do have a medical plan as well as a PA plan, personal accident plan. So when he was injured during the car accident, admitted to hospital, then he have some surgery. Then he used his medical card to provide the protection. All are paid by the medical card. So he don't need to use the PA on the medical treatment side. When the medical, he have this hospital income attached a rider in a hospital income. So do the PA also have this hospital income. So he claim for the hospital income, which mean when he is in the hospital, then for the days that warded, he get daily income. Let's say he got 100 ringgit every day. So he stay at the hospital 7 days, he get 700 ringgit from the medical plan. As well as the PA also had this hospital income benefit and he gets 700 ringgit from the PA plan as well. So this is the thing that he benefit from both of the plan. Do you think very good, Alif? He got 700 from medical plan and 700 from the PA plan. He get the hospital income.
Yeah, very good.
So do you have any special case that you encounter from your customer client?
I think, yeah. One case, I think I remember it because the client was from Roadshow in Cyberjaya. So the client is actually a student. So of course, when we do Roadshow, right, we have what we call puller, where they will pull the clients from the one that people are walking around to sit to listen to us. Our only job is to talk about the insurance, right? So one time the client that sit down with his girlfriend, my client is a guy lah, with his girlfriend, sit down and then look young, much younger. It was I think 19 at the time. Now I think 22, 23. So when they sit down, of course I say, hi, how are you? My name is Alif. May I know your name and everything, right? Just introduce, small talk a bit. Oh, I know they are student in UiTM. So I'm like, oh, student. I say, do you handle any part-time, whatever, right? Because when we have very low expectation on students, lah, right? We don't want to burden them with insurance, everything. And then sometimes they are still under their parents' control and everything, right? So I said, okay, never mind. Do you have any insurance? He said, no. You know, you don't have or you don't know? He say he don't have because he actually is from a very poor family, not well-to-do family. So he say memang dia tak ada. Anything also go government hospital, everything, right, parents. So he said, okay, never mind. What I just want to share something, right? You don't know. Maybe we throw food in the ocean, maybe something fish will bite, right? So when this happened, I say, okay, maybe I want to share about a personal accident where it is affordable for a student to take. Only 90 ringgit a month. Alright? So we will cover this, right? Especially medical treatment, 3,000 ringgit. Can go to a clinic, get a claim. No problem. Right? And then of course there is a coverage of death benefits for accidental, but that is not the one that actually I want to push forward. It's more on the medical section. Medical treatment of 3,000 ringgit. So once I share that, he actually has some thing quite good. Quite good. I'm more interested in this. So when he listened, and then I say, what do you think about this plan? Yeah, I want to subscribe. Okay. Then, oh, no problem. Only 90 ringgit. I say, okay lah, pay 2 months lah. First 2 months. And then after 2 months, okay, pay lah. And then his girlfriend like look at him like this, you know. Macam, betul ke ni? Betul ke? Tak payahlah. Lain kali je lah. Fikir dulu lah. Then I'm like, okay lah. Then I look at him and said, the one that paying is you. Oh, don't look at it. He also don't look at the girlfriend already. I just, okay lah, good. Then macam mana nak sign up? I say, I just need your IC, everything. I do all, buka iPad lah, buka ta. Good, payment done. I think around 3 months later, 90 days, 92 days, whatever lah. I don't remember that. Around 3 months lah. Suddenly he messaged me. I said, Alif, saya tak pasti boleh claim ke tidak. And then ask me, I said, what happened? Accident lah, apa jadi? Actually, he go fishing with his friend over the weekend. Right? Near Sabah Bernam there. Near Kuala Selangor there. So, he go fishing and then the fish hook, right, masuk in the jari. Masuk in the jari there. So here, he show me a picture. I cannot show here lah. Show me picture. Not that deep lah, but he know he cannot just tarik keluar because there's a hook inside my hook. If he tarik, nerve all boleh berdarah lagi banyak. So he just leave it there. Potong the tali, leave the hook inside, go to clinic. So I say, go lah. Why you need to think? Just go. Just go clinic. This is very very serious. You don't know hit the bone or not because that time I think adrenaline, right? You don't feel the pain. He is like one of my friend. Tak boleh rasa sakit kan. Banyak macam macho bravo, right? So just go lah. And then doctor carefully check everything feel, tarik keluar sikit, and then memang berdarah lah. And then the whole finger is encased in this like bandage lah. So I think 2 weeks lah inside that bandage. I think 1 week dia buka lagi, check, pasang balik. So around that time, so the coverage is 3,000 per accident, but he claimed 200 ringgit. 200 ringgit. He pay 3 months premium, 19 times 3, how much? So
60 ringgit.
Oh, then the treatment itself is more than a year of his premium. So obviously he is profiting lah. Insurance company loss lah. So I think this is a good way for actually, it opens actually, it's not just student cannot buy. They actually do need this thing. You don't know when it's going to be claiming this kind of issue. This kind of cangkuk while fishing also can happen anytime. Never expect. Bukan dia masukkan pun. While he's throwing the umpan, right? Terkena. Like that lah. So it is something that, after that, I actually sell a lot of PA to students. After that, I sell a lot. Because that story, I show picture. I ask his consent lah. Can I show this picture to other people or not? Because students, right, more like around the same age, the same activity, can relate more lah. I say, see, my client meet in roadshow, not my friend or whatever, right? Meet in roadshow. This happened. You think you cannot happen? A lot of students took PA that time lah. Around that time.
Yeah, very convincing because you have picture of the student that got into an accident fishing rod hook on the finger thumb there. So it's a very proof that the anything can happen, and the student is very convincing, not your friend. So I also have cases like a client which have this cat bite and cat claw. So what happened? Then the cat suddenly claw the owner, then and bite the owner. Then the owner then go to clinic and get treatment. All these can be claimed either medical or the PA. If you have medical, you can claim on the medical plan. If let's say you have a PA plan, you also can claim from the PA even though it's an animal bite. Another case is a horse bite. Horse bite also you can claim.
Horse bite.
Yes.
Kuda gigit
kuda gigit. I've also first time I hear about this horse bite. Normally it's a cat dog Now even horse also can claim. Because a lot of people they don't know about this. So
how may I ask how horse can bite a person?
Because I think the trainer put on the seat behind the horse
horse
then
riding.
I think they tighten the seat on the horse at the back of the horse. Maybe the trainer like too tight already. They pull the string hurts the horse. So as a reflex the horse reflect. Then suddenly the horse turn the face back to the student. Then the student get bite from the horse. I think the teeth of the horse again snatch the student hand so it's a horse bite So anything can happen. We don't know. Haven't heard before, right? First time first time. I also first time heard about the horse bite. I even see some horse get fly from the, I think throw by the horse fall down from the horse. Some customer, some client. So any special case, Alif?
I think for me myself, right? Oh yeah, I do have a auntie that keep on claiming PA.
Yeah, you told before. A
So
lot
many,
of claim from this auntie.
I think she pay around 450, 470 a year. I think she claimed total, right? Around 30K.
PA PA pen, right?
medical treatment, yeah.
Yeah, from
Because she
PA.
keep on falling. I thought like, some sketchy thing, But every time I ask for proof one. Lebam ke, luka ke, I ask for photo because I say I takut when I submit claim, insurance will ask a lot of questions. So I just submit the photo together already. I do the work before insurance company asks. Say this one, okay, betul. I ask the doctor to write a bit of a wording behind the receipt. I say fall down which area of the shoulder ke. She always jatuh either the hip or the shoulder, and sometimes a bit of the face. Yeah.
You even provide more evidence for the insurance company as a proof lah.
Before they ask
before they ask so that you speed the process lah.
Betul.
Yeah, even you see the falling down a few times also can claim from a PA lah, personal accident.
Over 3 years happened.
So
Betul.
the insurance pay more than what he
He
pay
pay,
for the premium.
Betul. Okay, thank you for your sharing, Sky.
Yeah.
Do we have any questions from the Facebook? Ho Chen Seng. How do I claim PA insurance if I get injured while playing sport? For example, if I twist my foot while playing badminton with a friend and then go to clinic for treatment, do I need to ask the doctor to write a report explaining how the injury happened, or is the clinic receipt alone enough to make a PA insurance claim? Good question. I think this is playing sport. Yes. The first part of the question, playing sport. Yes, no problem. Badminton. You are not a badminton player for the national, right? You're
level.
playing for recreational. No problem. Can. And then you immediately go to the clinic. It's also a good thing, where you get treatment right away. So when you do the claim, right, I always advise my client, in front of the receipt, tulis the harga, right? RM200 lah, RM200 sahaja. For example, clinic apa, doctor sign, right? Chop. Behind that receipt, ask the doctor or the clinic or the nurse, the person in charge at the receptionist, to write. Usually doctor lah, receptionist, they won't do one. Doctor will write, fall down due to sport, badminton, right leg twisted, ankle, minor abrasion on foot, on ankle, whatever. That's it. Unless there's a bone related, meaning retak ke apa, then require x-ray. But sprain ankle, a bit of lebam, pressure, muscle tear a bit lah, no need. You just ask the doctor to actually write a bit lah on the receipt. Clinic also can. Good. Clinic. Not necessarily hospital.
Yeah, I have an actual case
Oh.
but my friend we go badminton just he got warm out, but after some game just 5 minutes into the badminton game he suddenly fell down when he want to like retrieve a shot lah. Then I think he cannot stand up already. Suddenly cannot stand up. Everyone very like kanchiong What happened to him? Then we go to assist him lah. Then only they find out that the ligament from the foot is torn.
Damn.
Sudah putus. So it's very serious because our next neighbor player next neighbor badminton player is a doctor so he come over and help up. Then he say the ligament is torn already. Then need a medical assistant So immediately one of our friends sent him to the hospital So this thing is claimable because the amount is a huge so he claim under medical medical. So this thing will happen we don't know. So if let's say it's a minor thing like lebam, then you can claim from a PA personal accident.
Okay.
So for his case he need to do surgery.
So
So
ligament okay.
torn already.
Okay, understandable. Okay. Yeah happen when you
Yeah,
are
anytime
very
if
very.
you're doing some sport, anytime can happen.
Have you watched that? I don't know This is more like me rambling Watching TikTok, right? That is TikTok. Right? That when you Okay, never mind. Just updating. So when you just walking down the stairs normally, one foot down, boom, you fall down. Feel pain. Then cannot stand up. Same like you say, cannot stand up. Have to ask. They try to carry him up. He try to stand. Then he like tak boleh. So he have to sit down. Then they go to doctor and say, yeah, ligament tear. Just walking down the stair. Normally, not very fast, not very like lompat-lompat. Just walking down the stair normally. Jatuh. Not jatuh lah. Jatuh because of ligament tear.
Ligament tear, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't know when is this going to happen. You doing a daily activity, everything, right? Suddenly can happen, kan? It's called accident lah. Tak boleh nak tahu bila nak jangka, kan? Macam tu lah. Okay. Do we have questions?
Question from
Hi, Alif and Sky.
Hi,
GG King.
King.
Hello, what's up? Wait, beard game bre. Wah, Ho Chin Seng banyak hari ni soalan. Let me read this out. If I have both PA and life insurance, I become TPD, total permanent disability. Can I claim from both policy? Or do I need to pass away before the life insurance can be claimed? Then you can answer this.
Yeah. You can claim for the TBD lah. TBD you can claim from TBD for those permanent disability lah. And also the PA, yes, PA you can claim for the living benefit. We have this living benefit based on the indemnity lah. You can have this monthly. Both you also can.
Okay. So I think there's two part, right?
Yeah.
One is PA. They have two both. So when you become TPD, in your life insurance itself, there is a TPD coverage usually attached together, unless you have a very old policy lah. Usually there is attached together with your life insurance or HIPAA. It is together one. So when you are disabled permanently, not reversible, you lose both arm ke, both leg ke, you are blind ke, or you paralyzed ke, right? You can claim both. No problem. But the PA, you can claim if it's due to accident. But if the normal TPD, if it's due to illness, you can claim the normal TPD only. But if the illness cause you to TPD, you cannot claim PA lor. You can claim normal TPD under your life insurance. But if it's due to accident, you can claim both. Thank you.
Yeah. 明白。
Wah, banyak oh.
Banyak oh.
Jinseng, bagus oh. I love you.
Yeah. Okay,
I heard that travel PA has annual and single trip option. Is that correct? If yes, which one is more worth buying?
Let me answer
Go
Mr.
ahead.
Hall. For single one is single trip is per trip lah. For the annual is within 1 year you can travel many times. If let's say you travel more than 3 to 4 times a year, then you get annual plan is worth it, more worth it lah. Let's say you travel to Europe 4 times a year, then you get an annual plan is cheaper compared to single trip. Single trip is for maybe once a year you go travel for holiday. Yes, you go for single trip. So this is different lah. The annual is covered from today you buy, then the next year. The whole year you can travel many times in and out from the country lah. For the single trip, it's just one trip only. So this is the difference between the annual trip and the single trip.
Good answer. Betul. Ho Chin Seng, tu dapat lah. So, I think this already been answered by been asked. What else?
So let me ask you lah, Alif, how can I ensure I have enough PA coverage to protect my family?
How much is enough is based entirely on the client lah. It is very subjective. It's different from one person to another. So if you're a single person, different. You are a married person, different. If you have one children, different. Or two children, different. If you are working in a different field, also the coverage needed is different. The rule of thumb is 10 times your annual income. The rule of thumb lah, usually. So if you are earning 100K a year, then you need 1 million lah. So because accident is sudden, right? Usually if death happen, it is sudden. So you don't have time to come to terms with the fact that you are passing away. It's yesterday you see, tomorrow morning you can kena accident and then you're gone. So when this happen, your family that you left behind will have issues of getting cash very quickly. So one way to avoid, bank frozen lah, you're liquidating your assets lah, is insurance lah, where they give you money straight away to your widow or your children right away within like how many 7 working days, the fastest 7 working days, but the normal procedure is 7 to 14 working days of death claim. So if all the documents are completely submitted, so once the payout is done, you can use the cash. The widow, the family that you left behind can use that money to settle off the necessary debts that is hanging, and then all the expenses that they do need to pay upfront with the loss of yourself. So how much it is enough? Back to that question, to protect your family, it is entirely up to you. And then we see case by case lah. But when we usually ask, it's based on their finances also. If they need 1 million, their budget is not really able to afford that lah. So at least you have something. We start with something lah, and then we'll propose. I think as low as 40 ringgit a month, right? 40 ringgit a month, and then can customize the plan. I think the secondly is 120 ringgit a month. There's a lot more lah. Of course, coverage goes up with more coverage option and coverage amount that you add on, right? So how much is you need to PM me or PM Sky lah to know. Then
it depends on your affordability lah. Let's say you need a basic coverage, we can cater, we can customize for you lah. Because we can start from 20 ringgit until 100 ringgit, 120 ringgit. It depends on what your coverage you need lah. And it all depends on individual. But we can customize for you lah. You just look for Alif or me to plan for you. So do we have any question from the floor? Yes. Wow, another question coming up. Okay, if a person is driving and suddenly has an heart attack causing a crash with another car, can it be claimed under PA insurance? Heart attack. This one it need to depends on the doctor post-mortem lah. If a heart attack first, then it's not considered accident. It will become a medical card will cover, but not the PA personal accident. If the accident first, then it can be claimable under the personal accident the PA plan. So it really depends on the situation of the diagnosis the doctor post-mortem.
Betul Sky.
So
Dah. But I think now the time to ask Sky.
yes, okay.
One question I was having, right? What is that? Nothing. Finish my question. Finish.
No more question for me, Alif?
If I riding I'm a passenger on a car.
Passenger.
All right, I'm passenger of car, and then the driver, my friend, right, had an accident. I also kena accident lah. Can I claim my own PA or not? Can I
If
claim
yeah,
my
your
PA?
accident, yeah, you can claim from your PA.
Mm.
If even though it's not due to your fault, you can claim your accident PA plan.
Mm.
Because your friend can claim for himself and you can claim for yours lah. If you have your PA plan lah. If you don't have a PA plan yourself, then you can't claim at all lah. It depends on you whether you subscribe to any PA plan, whether you subscribe to any medical plan lah. So that's why we need to have some protection lah. At least lah, the PA lah. You see a lot of this Grab rider met with accident, right? Do you encounter any Grab rider motorcycle accident?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All the time.
All the time, right? Everyone, I think most of the audiences encounter this. So they need to have a personal accident plan. This one is the minimum lah, the most minimum plan they should have lah, in order to protect themselves. At least if they met with accident, they have this medical, they can have a medical claim under PA. Reimbursement lah.
Okay. Good. Another question I want to ask actually is, can PA insurance help if I survive a serious accident but need long-term physio?
Yes, you can have this PA for your claim for the accident. You can have PA and also the physio until 1 year. You can have this follow up for the physiotherapy for longer period, 1 year. For medical, you need have 60 days or 90 days lah.
30 days.
30 days.
Okay, betul. Thank you so much, Sky. Do we have any questions from the board? Oh, Ho Chen Sing again. Ho Chen Sing, you very active today, huh? Is PA related to Hibah or are they two different type of insurance? It is a two different type of insurance. Hibah is more related to life insurance where it covers even if the client is due to sickness. So if the client pass away due to sickness, Hibah does pay. But PA, no, only due to accidental. And certain plans, right, does cover death due to infectious disease.
Yeah, we have it.
Certain plan, but not all plan. This is like depending on the plan, on the company itself. So you have to see back all the plan itself. What kind of coverage do they have that you have? Sorry. Tada already. So I think now it's 9:48. If I'm not mistaken.
We
So-
need to wrap up.
We are going to wrap up. I'm tired. Sky, you are tired?
Yeah, because we whole day
We are
today
having a
meeting,
whole-
whole day meeting from morning 10 until I think 5.
Then now 10.
Now 10 again.
I think we
live
wake up
so-
early also today, right?
Yeah.
A lot of things also happening. So I think we can just wrap it up. I think we'll start from the beginning again. Is that personal accident, right? PA is something is one of the insurance that you can actually consider getting. It's a more holistic coverage that you can get other than the medical insurance. Medical insurance is very important, of course, but PA is something to supplement you in case something happen, especially minor accidents. And one point that I actually forgot to mention just now, if you already have an existing illnesses, right? You have diabetic, you have high blood pressure, you have cholesterol, you had a cancer before, but you survived. Then getting a medical insurance is quite hard, right? So you have the money to buy insurance, but you cannot buy medical insurance. You can consider PA, personal accident. Yes, it's not covering all illnesses, right? Maybe what you wanted, but it is covering something unexpected, especially accidents and venomous bites, dog bites, right? This is something that you cannot predict, right? And then accidents, road accident. If you are living in anywhere in Malaysia, road accident is like second
Kacau
nature.
betul.
Banyak kali jadi, boleh jadi. Yeah, it's a normal day going to work boleh jadi, normal day going to the mall jadi, right? Anything can happen. If you tak langgar orang, orang langgar kita. So it is an accident plan that can protect you lah, financially especially, and give peace of mind that if something happen, your family are taken care of. If something happen to you and you survive, you know that your protection that you have is enough to give some compensation to you, to me myself, for example. Okay, and I think I ride motorcycle as well, so I understand that I get a big coverage in the sense that PA, I have more PA than my Hiba,
Oh,
because I ride motor.
oh, no
Ah.
wonder.
So anything happen, I just 50% my mom, 50% my sister.
Oh, your
I do
PA
that
plan is
nomination
bigger.
like that lah. So if anything happen, I know PA will cover me, especially. Although I tak naik bola laju lah, with my size, I don't think I can drive very fast. But I drive very, very carefully. I not very slowly. Not really. Slowly also tak boleh, tak bagus. Very carefully, very correctly, lawfully. But something can happen. A lot of things happen. Okay,
Yeah,
Sky,
yeah.
anything to add?
Yeah. It's motorcyclist is a very high risk at our road, especially Malaysia lah. You see very high risk group. Motorcyclists are top of the list lah. They are more prone to the accident. You can see our data. Motorcyclist is the highest lah compared to others like car accident, lorry, van. Motorcyclist lah is the top lah. The top one that have this most accident. So this plan PA is the most minimal that we can afford lah. I think everyone can afford this plan lah. I can say that everyone can afford. Even you are from the B40 you also can afford this plan. So everyone should consider this plan as the basic entry lah. And what does just now Alif say is this the alternative for those who cannot get a medical plan. So the PA is the second best choice you can get. So maybe if you do not understand what we have told during this FB Live, you can call me. This is my number, or Alif, Alif number. So just call us, then we can answer all your queries, your problem, anything you cannot solve, even you have any claims that you have problem facing, you just look for us lah. We are here to help you. Okay?
Thank you so much, Sky.
Yeah.
It was nice
Okay. Thank
doing
you,
a live show.
Ali.
You're
Yeah.
still cold,
Yeah,
You need to wear gloves next time. So
I-
cold. Quite nice,
Yeah.
Quite nice. Thank you. How
I'm
was
cold-blooded.
how was ask a bit how was your experience doing live for the first time? 2 hours of sitting here.
Okay, very enjoyable because we can do like chit chatting. Then I can learn from Alif. Alif is
I learn from you also.
TikToker. Very good at this social media, taking videos, then posting as is like a social influencer Alif to me. Yeah, very good. Every time when we have meeting, Alif will bring out his handphone to video everyone, then do some touch up, and then post some very nice video. What apps do you use? Canva.
I use TikTok editing only.
TikTok editing. Oh, very nice.
That's it.
Then
I
they
use.
see
I'm
your
very simple.
IG, Instagram also very nice. All the story, Insta story. Then I see FB story. A lot of story from Alif. Very entertaining.
I'm waiting for your story also.
Yeah. I'm learning now. I'm learning also. Learning from
I
Alif
rarely
how to
see your.
become a Instagrammer and TikToker.
I rarely see your story, so I want to see more.
Yeah, I need to learn because I'm learning now. I'm doing some reels now
Nice.
the FB reels.
Okay,
So-
good. All right. So I think that's all from us from the insurance complaint station. If you have any complaint that you don't feel safe to put in the chat box, please PM us.
PMS. PMS.
My name is Alif. This is Sky numbers.
yeah.
Please do help yourself and PM lah.
Yeah,
Okay.
any complaint, anytime, any moment you can PM us lah.
Okay.
No problem.
No
Okay.
problem. Thank you, Sky. So thank you for watching. If you have any, please like and share, and then stay tuned for the next month. we are
Yes.
having a rotation of host. Maybe not my face, maybe not Sky face, but someone else's face.
Yes,
Okay.
correct.
Stay tuned. Remind to follow page and thank you so much.
Like
Bye-bye.
us, okay? Thank you for watching us and accompany us for these 2 hours. Thank you.